Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to battle friends in Pokémon Go. Here's how you can easily battle friends in Pokémon Go. First of all, open your Pokémon Go application on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Once logged in, tap on your profile avatar at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to this next page where you'll need to tap on the Friends button at the top right, and inside your friends list, select a friend that you'd like to battle with. Now it will open up their profile section, from where you will be able to see their avatars, their pets, and other options. Swipe down to battle and tap on it. Now you can go ahead and choose your league and tap on Let's Battle. Choose the recommended party that has been shown on the display. You can also tap in order to swap the Pokemon and choose the Pokemon of your choice. And finally, tap on Use this party. You will now be able to see that you are battling with the chosen friend. Your battle will start. If you ever want to quit the battle, you'll need to simply tap on the little door exit icon at the top left corner. So that is how you easily battle on Pokémon Go with one of your friend from your friend list. In order to start a battle, you must meet the requirements that are: you and your friend must have a friendship level of good friends or higher in order to start the battle. Ensure that both players are online in Pokémon Go. Battling with friends is a fun way to earn rewards and practice strategies. So, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Pokémon Go tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.